everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you a tour of a budget-friendly kitchen in my mom's lake house. I have been waiting so long to share this space with you. I know a lot of you have wanted to see this. Today I want to give you a tour of my parents' gorgeous budget-friendly kitchen in their new lake house. You might have been following along as we've been helping my parents build their beautiful lake home here in Alberta, Canada. This has been a long project in the making. We started a year and a half ago, so definitely a big project, but there's been so many beautiful custom details, and today I get to show you the heart of the home, the kitchen. If you love budget-friendly kitchen builds and makeovers, I think you're gonna really love this kitchen. My parents used DIY cabinetry, tons of DIY touches, laminate countertops, but everything together has made for just a gorgeous, beautiful looking kitchen on a budget. I am so happy that we got to work with the brick and Maytag on this kitchen build. So let me give you a tour of my parents' beautiful lake house kitchen in partnership with the brick and Maytag.
Here's the absolute before look at Mom's lake house kitchen last year when we had just finished the framing of their lake cottage. Here's a mood board we designed for the kitchen. The look we're going for is classic cottage, and the palette is soft and serene, like the master bedroom we did in my parents' home, with greens, blues, grays, and whites. Here's how Mom's lake house kitchen looks now. I am absolutely in love with how timeless and light and bright this kitchen looks. My parents chose to keep the main elements of their kitchen classic and neutral, with the white cabinets, marble look laminate counters, and stainless steel appliances from Maytag and the brick. This Maytag stainless steel fridge, dishwasher, and gas range are all from the brick, and they are the first matching set of appliances my parents have ever owned. My mom and dad are over the moon with how lovely these look in their new kitchen, and they're really happy with how they function, especially with how well the gas stove works for them. My parents love to cook and bake, and my mom has taught me everything she knows about baking. Not only are these appliances a really great value for the price, but they're backed by the brick's exclusive Maytag 60-day money-back guarantee. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to check out these appliances for yourself. The cabinet doors in this kitchen were discontinued birch wood doors, so my parents got them at a great price. Then my mom learned how to use a spray gun and painted them a beautiful neutral white, which is Ultra White by Behr. I'll leave a link in the description box below to see how my mom uses her paint sprayer. A sprayed top coat of Varathane diamond wood finish will help keep the cabinets chip-free and totally easy to clean. The cabinet hardware is a brushed nickel to keep everything light, bright, and neutral, and to bring out the color of the stainless steel appliances. I really love the paint color that my mom chose for the island. It's a soft gray mint called Comfort Gray by Sherwin-Williams, and it adds so much function to the kitchen. My parents used pre-built cabinets to create the island base, and then added custom trim to the bottom and the ends for a lake house look. They even built custom doors and drawers on this end with the stools for added function. It's a really large island that's going to be a great workspace and a great serving space. I like how the brick's Penadel stools add just a little bit of black to tie in to the pretty pendant lights that my mom chose for over the island. Another stunning addition to this kitchen is this vintage style farmhouse window mirror that my mom made. The inspiration for it was the window trim at my mom's Oma's house overlooking the river. My mom bought rough fir and tried to model the trim of this mirror after some bookcases she salvaged from the home. I think it's an absolutely beautiful DIY. Other elements that I love in this kitchen are the farmhouse sink, the simple faucet, and the custom crown molding. It was such a treat to style this kitchen for spring. The mix of white, mint green, and warm wood tones really lends itself to spring celebrations, and the addition of some fresh flowers, fruit, and white and mint dinnerware made it look completely ready for the season. I can't wait to make tons of new memories here in the kitchen at Mom's Lake House. I think it's the perfect space to spend time with the people that I love the most.
Thank you so much for taking this tour with me today of my parents' beautiful lake house kitchen. Let me know in the comments below which part of this kitchen was your favorite. For me, I would have to say I love the color of their island. I think it is just the perfect mint color and goes so well with their lake house aesthetic. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like DIY and decor ideas. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.